Hey guys, Trevor Barnett here at Nikka Specialty Flooring Products. Hey, I am consistently asked how to deal with oils, stains, greases, different latents and contaminants in concrete that affect the decorative concrete, the concrete polishing, and the concrete coatings industries. This happens to be a problem that has been around for a long time, whether it be a homeowner that has a leaky, oily car, contaminates the concrete in the garage, or you're on a construction site where they have spilt pipe, dope, oils. It could even be just as much as having some grease or oils or red clay been tracked in onto the job site. But that does affect our final finish in the decorative concrete business, in the concrete polishing business, and in the coatings business. It helps to become a lateness or a bond breaker between your coating and the actual concrete surface. So today I want to talk about 3 different products that are going to help you in combating the different types of stains and such that are on your job sites. The first product I want to talk about today is Prosoco's Consolidate Oil, Grease, and Stain Remover. This product is a poultice type product. It's designed to actually reach down in there and bubble or pull the stain out of the concrete. The way it works is take the product, make sure the area that you're using it on, you've removed any type of standing stain, you've removed any debris or anything that would be on it, scrape it off with a putty knife, a razor knife, something of that nature. Take this material, you're actually going to pour it on top of that stain. You're going to then spread it out like a pancake batter mix, covering the stain completely. You get outside the lines a little bit, give yourself some margin so that you're cleaning around and the outside of the stain as well. Take you a piece of plastic or saran wrap type material, cover this poultice material while it's on the ground. You're going to give it 5 to 8 hours worth of dry time. What that's going to do is going to give that stuff time to blister and boil and pull that stain out of the concrete. As it's doing that, that poultice material has some fine powders and things in it that are actually going to grab and hold on to that stain and actually start bringing it up and capturing it. So you're going to come back then in about 5 to 8 hours, pull your plastic, your saran wrap, whatever it is you covered it with, move the material. That powder, that product should be a powdery type substance. Pull that off the concrete, and what you're going to see is this poultice material is actually pull that stuff out of the concrete. It's going to do a great job on oils, greases, wines, any type of contaminant that has a fatty acid with it, does a great job with. Overall, outstanding, really, really good product if you've got the time to use it. Now, next product I want to talk about is our Black Diamond series. This is actually made by Nikka. It's our first step. What it is it actually started out as a pre-grind for softening the surface of the concrete and allowing a grinder to make its first pass and remove that cement paste quicker. What we found out is this particular product has an amazing ability to clean concrete. Not just concrete, but stone, concrete, brick, anything with mortar or cement paste. This product cleans quite well. What you want to do with it, take this product, put it in a pump sprayer, okay? Before you do start applying the material, what you want to do is get your floor a little bit damp. Take you a water hose, a pump sprayer, mop, even if you're in an indoor application, mop the floor, get that concrete sucking. You want it to start sucking in the water. The reason you want to do that is you don't want it to suck this material down into the concrete. You want to make sure this material stays on the surface. So once you get that product or the concrete surface saturated dry, you're going to then apply this product at 200 square feet per gallon or less. You can go 100, you can go 150, 200, but at a minimum, you want to go 200 square feet a gallon. What that's going to do, that's going to give this product an opportunity to do something very similar to the poultice, but where it actually is going to blister. You're going to start seeing the product foam. You're going to start seeing that foam turn different colors. What this stuff's doing is actually pulling, again, the dirt, the debris, the mud out of the concrete, off of the brick, out of the stone, and cleans it really, really well. At the end of this thing, leave it 20, 25 minutes. Make sure it stays wet. Come back, clean up the area, pressure wash off the area, mop the area, whatever it is you do, clean that area real good. And what you're going to notice, you're going to have a clean concrete slab, a slab that is pretty close to what it looked like when you first put it down. If you don't have that, go back, reapply, do it again. Matter of fact, the older the stain, the more times you may have to apply the material to get it to come out. Doesn't work the best with grease and oils. It's more for just dirty, nasty concrete. However, we've had some success with that. Pine straw stains, amazing work with it. Takes them right out of concrete. Great overall cleaner. Also a great first step for your concrete grinding. Third is our BioClean 900. This product we actually made out of self-defense. After being a contractor for over 23 years, what we noticed is in the restaurant industry, where you see a lot of different stains, quartz floors, aggregate floors. Now we're seeing a lot of metallic floors. The concrete is not cleaned very well, first. So you deal with that with these two. But second, once you've got your floor in place, once the finished surface is in place, the other people in the industry, they don't know how to take care of epoxy floors. They don't know how to take care of polished floors. So we've come up with a product called BioClean. What it is, it's a concentrated formulation of material, can be cut 40 to 1 down to 10 to 1. This is amazing in the sense that so if you have a really greasy, nasty kitchen, concentrated, clean, get rid of the cleaner, and then you can cut it back down to 20 to 1, 10 to 1, 10 to 1, whatever you need to maintain your floors. It will not damage, dull, discolor your epoxy or your polished or decorative concrete surfaces. Tell somebody about this product. It's cheap, it's well made, and it will fix your problem with cleanings in your kitchens, your bathrooms, and on your decorative concrete floors. Hey guys, thanks for talking to me today. Come watch the videos. We're going to be doing a series of these things to help you all over the next year. So hopefully this is a help to you. God bless you. Come see us here at Nikka.